Huzur, if a husband and wife get divorced and then after a while they want to live together again, the Quran said that they should get married, another person, and then divorce them and then live together. I don't understand. Will Huzur please explain this? Why is so?
Well, this verse requires some greater explanation, and according to the Jamaat Ahmediyya, this is done not after every talaq, but after 3 talaqs are fulfilled and 3 times she is divorced. Then if she wants to marry that person, then she must marry someone else to prove that now she has improved enough and she can really marry. If that person again divorces her, that shows that the fault was hers. So it's the grace of Allah that then she is permitted, if her husband forgives her after all that folly and wants to remarry her. This is the short answer to your question, which requires very long explanation, in fact.